Let me start with something bold, something that might surprise you. Seniors, you need to stop drinking plain water. Yes, you heard that right, because plain water alone is not giving your body what it needs to stay hydrated, strong, youthful, and vibrant. And for many people over 50, constantly sipping plain water is actually pulling minerals out of the body instead of restoring them. You're drinking, but your skin stays dry. You're hydrated, but your joints still ache. You're doing everything right, yet the wrinkles deepen, the skin becomes thinner, and you start to wonder, why does my body feel older than me? Here's the truth. As we age, our body's ability to hold water naturally decreases. We lose collagen, we lose electrolytes more quickly, and our skin, joints, muscles, even our energy, all depend on the right minerals to help water absorb properly. Drinking plain water is like pouring water onto dry sand. It doesn't stay, it doesn't nourish, it just passes through. But the moment you add one simple thing, one natural, powerful ingredient, everything begins to change. What if your water could actually tighten your skin? What if it could support collagen, reduce fine lines, and make your skin look fuller and healthier? What if a small daily habit could improve the very structure of your skin from the inside out? Most people think skincare is something you rub on your face. Creams, serums, lotions, they all have their place, but the real magic happens from within. Your skin's firmness, elasticity, and glow depend on hydration at the cellular level. And that requires minerals. It requires amino acids. It requires collagen-building support. Plain water simply cannot give you that. But mineral-rich, collagen-supporting hydration, now that changes everything. Today, I want to show you exactly what to add to your water so your body can use it, your skin can benefit from it, and your aging process can slow down naturally. Because hydration isn't about how much water you drink, it's about how much your body can actually absorb. And as you get older, you must hydrate smarter, not just more. You are not dehydrated because you don't drink enough water. You're dehydrated because your body isn't getting the nutrients it needs to hold the water. Imagine drinking a glass of water that actually plumps your skin from the inside. Imagine hydrating your cells so your wrinkles soften instead of deepen. Imagine strengthening the collagen matrix that supports your face, your joints, your bones, every part of you. This is not anti-aging magic, it's biology. And the best part, it's natural, it's simple, it's effective, and you can start today. Let's talk about why this matters so much. As you age, your skin naturally loses collagen, the protein responsible for firmness, elasticity, and that youthful bounce. After age 50, you lose about 1% of your collagen every year, sometimes more. Combine that with decreased hydration and mineral imbalance, and suddenly wrinkles deepen faster, skin sags more easily, and dryness becomes constant. But the problem goes far beyond appearance. Your body needs collagen for joints, bones, muscles, gut health, and immune strength. And your body needs minerals, especially sodium, potassium, magnesium, to actually absorb water. Without these minerals, water cannot hydrate your cells. It just travels through your system, diluting minerals even more. This is why many seniors experience dry, thinning skin, wrinkles that rapidly deepen, sagging cheeks or jawline, chronic fatigue, brain fog, muscle cramps, joint stiffness, weak nails and hair. You're not aging badly. You're simply missing the essential building blocks of hydration and collagen. But here's the encouraging part. You can improve hydration and collagen production at any age. When you add these minerals and nutrients to your water, your body begins repairing, rebuilding, and restoring itself from the inside out. Skin becomes softer, fuller, and healthier, wrinkles smooth, energy rises, joints move more freely, and you feel younger, not just look it. This matters because your body is always trying to heal. It just needs the right tools. And today, I'll show you exactly what tools to use. Most seniors don't realize that one of the biggest reasons their skin ages faster, their energy drops, and their body feels dry or fragile is because they are unknowingly living in a state of chronic dehydration. Even though they drink plenty of water, the problem is not the amount of water. The problem is the type of hydration. When you drink plain water, especially in large amounts, it actually dilutes your natural electrolyte levels. These electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, are what allow water to move into your cells, stay in your tissues, and support healthy skin structure. Without them, water simply rushes through your system, giving you the illusion of being hydrated while your cells remain thirsty. This slow, quiet dehydration shows up on your skin first. You'll notice dryness that creams can't fix, wrinkles that deepen faster than they should, and a loss of firmness in your cheeks, jawline, and neck. These are not just cosmetic issues, they are warning signs that your body isn't absorbing water correctly. As you age, this problem becomes even more significant. The body naturally loses its ability to maintain hydration, collagen, and elasticity. Your thirst response weakens, your kidneys change, your tissues hold less water. And instead of adjusting hydration habits, most seniors drink more plain water, not realizing it's working against them. Think of your cells like tiny balloons. Without minerals, these balloons deflate no matter how much water you pour in. With minerals, they fill up, expand, and support healthier, firmer skin. But plain water has no minerals, so your cells never get the hydration they deserve, and over time, this chronic lack of cellular hydration accelerates aging from the inside out. Another issue is that plain water doesn't support collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and lifted. When your body is dehydrated on the cellular level, collagen fibers become weaker and stiffer. They break down faster. They repair more slowly. And the visible signs appear as fine lines, drooping skin, and deep wrinkles. Seniors often assume these changes are purely age-related, but hydration quality plays a huge role. When your cells receive minerals, when your tissues actually absorb the water you drink, your collagen can rebuild and function properly again. Hydrated skin naturally looks fuller and more youthful because the internal scaffolding is supported. The dehydration problem also affects everyday comfort. Dry mouth, dizziness, constipation, muscle cramps, fatigue, and poor concentration are all signs your body is not holding onto water properly. Seniors frequently experience these symptoms and blame age, but in many cases the root cause is simple. Your body does not have the electrolytes it needs to use the water you give it. A single pinch of sea salt or a few drops of trace minerals in your water can completely change the way your cells hydrate. This tiny addition helps your body retain moisture, improves nutrient transport, and supports the collagen matrix that keeps you looking and feeling stronger. So the real problem isn't that seniors drink too little water, it's that they drink the wrong kind. Plain water that flushes minerals out instead of balancing them. Fixing this one habit can transform the way your skin, joints, and entire body age. Most seniors are chronically dehydrated and mineral deficient even when drinking lots of water. Plain water dilutes electrolytes, which accelerates collagen loss and aging. Dry skin, wrinkles, brittle nails, weak hair, fatigue, dizziness, cramps, and brain fog all stem from poor hydration and collagen breakdown. When your body can't properly absorb or retain water, the effects show up in your daily life in ways that many people don't immediately connect to hydration. Most seniors think dryness, fatigue, or stiffness are normal parts of aging, but these issues are often direct consequences of mineral loss and poor cellular hydration. When your cells are dehydrated, they cannot function at full capacity. Your skin becomes the first visible sign. You may notice your face looking dull, your cheeks flattening, or fine lines appearing more pronounced. Makeup settles into creases more easily. Even after using moisturizers, your skin still feels tight or flaky. That's because external creams can only do so much when the underlying tissues are not hydrated from within. Proper hydration is like filling up a mattress so it expands and smooths out. When the inside is dry or deflated, the outside surface will always look aged. This internal dryness also affects how your joints feel. Seniors often experience stiffness first thing in the morning or after long periods of sitting. While this can involve wear and tear, dehydration plays a major role. Joints need fluid to cushion movement. When your body is low on minerals, the lubrication between your joints becomes thinner, making every motion feel heavier or more uncomfortable. You might think you need stronger painkillers or supplements, but sometimes what your body is really missing is correct hydration, the kind that allows water to stay in your tissues instead of passing straight through. Another impact shows up in your energy and focus. Many seniors experience afternoon crashes, foggy memory moments, or that sense of slowing down mentally. This isn't always age, it's often dehydration at the cellular level. Your brain needs electrolytes for clear communication between neurons. Without them, the brain feels tired and sluggish. You may drink more water thinking it'll help, but plain water further dilutes minerals, worsening the problem. When your cells finally receive proper hydration, water combined with trace minerals or natural salts, you'll often notice more mental sharpness, steadier energy, and fewer dips throughout the day. Even digestion is affected. Constipation is extremely common among older adults, and one major reason is low mineral hydration. Your intestines rely on water to soften and move waste. When the water you drink isn't being properly absorbed, your digestive system struggles. Seniors often turn to fiber supplements, laxatives, or medications when in many cases the root issue is dehydration that starts at the cellular level. Add minerals to your water and you give your digestive system the lubrication it needs to work smoothly again. And then there's muscle health. You might notice nighttime leg cramps, twitching, or a feeling of heaviness in your limbs. These are classic signs of electrolyte imbalance. Muscles need sodium and magnesium to relax and contract properly. Plain water flushes these out, leaving your muscles stiff or prone to cramping. Once again, simple mineral hydration can dramatically reduce these symptoms. These daily challenges, dry skin, stiff joints, low energy, brain fog, constipation, cramps, often get blamed on just getting older, but aging is not the real issue. Your body is trying to function without the minerals and hydration support it needs. When you improve hydration with minerals, collagen support, and proper absorption, these everyday struggles begin to fade, and you feel more alive, more youthful, and more comfortable in your body. Seniors, stop drowning your body in plain water. Hydrate with purpose, nourish your cells, support your collagen, your skin, your joints, your energy. They're waiting for you to give them the minerals and nutrients they deserve. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your body thank you every single day.